Now let's turn our attention to the pandemic and the numbers reported just today in Oregon. The state reported 756 new and confirmed COVID cases and 3 new deaths. But here's the thing, that brings the total to more than 2,500 people who have now died from the virus here in our state. And hospitalizations are climbing too. There are at least 345 people across Oregon occupying beds. On the vaccination front, more than 22,000 shots were added to the state registry, well below the 7-day average of 33,710.